All right, all right. The scissors be trim a little bit.
Right.
So we emptying this whole package,
Well,
is
you
it?
could do the other one and take it.
Oh, I feel so special. Thank you so much.
Nice.
Hi, foodie friends. We are back in the yard today for curry duck, featuring cans, poultry, and meat, seasoned duck. So let's get cooking. So our friends at Cans always send us the best of the best. Always quality stuff. So today they sent us some seasoned duck. Now this is specifically for curry duck.
Curry duck, yeah.
There's a little, a curry powder already in the seasoning. So this is what we need to use.
Okay.
And this is what you're going to show me how to make duck with, right?
All right. So see, now this is already seasoned. I mean, it saved me,
Half the time.
yeah, or 3/4 of the time, I would think. So,
But,
because
I
I don't
mean-
have to clean it, I don't have to season it. It's already done for me.
Convenience.
Convenient.
But of course you could get unseasoned duck as well as cans.
well,
And you could get a ton of other poultry and meats available there. But today
Yeah.
we're dealing with the duck. So
With the
deal with the duck for me.
Right. So first we're going to start off with burning the curry.
Right.
Chunking the pimentos, garlic, before we add the duck.
Okay.
Right, so you're going to start off, you could just
Crush
give
some
the
garlic?
garlic a little-
Crush some garlic. The official garlic master, that's me.
yes. Let's see.
Nah, I still have time to go here. You just give me 2 seconds, my friend. I crushing garlic properly well for you this time.
This time.
How you feel? How you feel?
All right,
How you
looking
feel?
good. You put it down.
Just now. Okay.
Get time, oil a little hot. Nice. Nice. So you got our pimentos.
Sure. Ooh.
Like that.
Holy splashback.
Let it fry up a little bit. Chunky, as we say.
And I see you breaking it up a little bit.
Yeah. Just to get all the flavors out. And the
Okay.
pimento and the garlic.
Okay.
Come pass me the curry powder, man.
You can't make curry duck without
Without
curry
curry
powder.
powder, right,
It don't make sense.
And again, I like to soak my curry powder a little
Okay.
bit before.
So
It hel-
that's just put in some water with your
water
curry,
with the
mix
curry
it up.
powder, mix it up to a little paste, and it helps kind of hydrate the curry powder. It makes it less grainy.
Okay. You're welcome.
Could you pass me the water there now?
Sure. So we're starting off the curry sauce a little bit here.
Then the curry cook a little bit. Then while the time you could start to,
Open up the package.
you can start to open up the.
We're dealing with the star of the show here, this quality duck. All right, all right. The scissors be trim a little bit.
Right.
So we emptying this whole package,
Well,
is
you
it?
could do the other one and take it.
Oh, I feel so special. Thank you so much.
Nice. So you want to try to mix up everything in there.
Right, and cover it evenly
And cover
with
it
all of
evenly.
that good curry sauce.
Yeah, but before we cover, we want to add a little saffron.
Okay.
And we cover for about 10 minutes. Let the
Right.
duck spring its own
Water.
and then we come back. So now we're going to check.
Ooh. So all of those juices
Yeah.
have come up.
From the duck. Nice.
Right.
Now we're just going to add our cinnamon and bay leaf.
Okay.
I like to add cinnamon and bay leaf. Cinnamon and bay leaf, although it adds a taste and flavor,
Right.
it also helps with the some doctors give you a little freshness sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is help cut. It's help cut that.
Okay, sure.
Some of course, you must add the Chadon Beni.
I mean, come on.
Can't be local without Chadon Beni. And our habanero
Cannot make duck without pepper.
without pepper.
It's not happening.
We give a little mix.
Right?
Have the heat down low. And we allow to cook You allow the meat to do its thing for the next 30, 40 minutes.
All right, so low on slow for 30 to 40 minutes, and
Yeah.
we'll check back again. No words, my friends. Ooh, look at all of that good curry goodness. You could tell this is seasoned well.
Just missing some pumpkin body and roti.
A little rice on dal.
And rice and that.
A little bone in my mouth. Oh gosh.
Can't get away from that with duck.
Duck bones, you can't get away. This was an excellent recipe. That Chadon Beni flavor has to be my favorite ending note because that's what's on my palate right now. And of course, it's been seasoned so well. Thanks so much to our friends at Cannes for that great seasoned duck. I mean, amazing. Be sure, of course, guys, to check them out on Facebook and Instagram to find out more about their full range of poultry and meats. So, about the rest of the meal.
Well, as on your side, I did the main.
Right, so I have to
main
provide
yes.
the roti
Pumpkin.
and the body.
And roti.
Okay, we will get cooking on that, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.